but I managed to write all my exams, even when I felt that, okay, I'm not really prepared for this exam, but I managed to write all my exams, just have one more to go, and we're done. Thank you.
Thank you, Lucy. TD?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, I think with me, everything has been going well up until exams. I think these exams are very hectic to a point where they can actually affect my overall average. But I'm really trying. I'm really trying. So yeah, it's been difficult.
Okay, thanks, TD. Esona?
Thank you, ma'am. Well, personally, my exams got off to the worst possible start. When I was writing my first exam, I think the written exam, because initially I started with the portfolios and they were smooth sailing. But then when we got to the actual written examinations, it got off to the hectic start because I was writing, those from UNISA would be perhaps familiar with the module Unjustified Enrichment, PVL 3704.
Yes.
So with regards to that examination, because of my poor eyesight, I am allotted an extra time in the form of, let's say, for an example, if a normal person writes their exams in 3 hours, for me, I get 30 minutes extra for each hour. So that would entail that in general, I get 4.5 hours for a 3-hour examination.
Yes.
So when I was writing that examination, I finished on time with regards to my allotted time. But then when I went on to submit my script within that allotted time, I found out that the portal had already closed prematurely, and it gave some panic buttons on my head. But then it's not the first instance that this has occurred. It has occurred, I think, more than 4 times already, but then with different modules. I did raise it up with the relevant lectures. They took about a week to get back to me and referred me to another party. I've been waiting still for that party to respond to that. So it's been hectic, it's been stressful with regards to that module. Otherwise, I had to be mentally strong in preparing for the upcoming examinations after that particular exam, of which I wrote them quite swiftly and with great confidence that I did well after that. But then the main concern is that particular module. There has not been any feedback after I wrote some emails to the relevant parties. So it's been a wait, quite a hectic wait with regards to that. So that's my summation of my examinations have been, because of this particular module, has not been that great, to be honest. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thanks. Evidence?
Thanks. On my side, my exams have been going very well, and I've just written my second last exam yesterday, DRW2602. I'm only left with one module so far. I'm writing on the 20th. So on my side, everything went well.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so thank you guys for sharing your experiences regarding exams. Honestly, exams are pretty tough, and especially towards the end of your degree, that's where things become hectic and that's where you need to be strong mentally, physically, in every way. So you just need to remember the reason why you started this degree and just keep moving. So in terms of Esona's issue of UNISA portals, I've had a lot of people are actually having trouble. They either the portal closes early or opens late or things like that. So I think maybe they're still busy trying to sort the issue out. But I don't know how they are going to resolve this issue. But I believe you are not alone. There are a lot of other students as well who are going through the same problem that you are going through. So hopefully they will resolve this issue amicably for students as well as the institution as well. So thank you guys for sharing your experiences. So we'll get to the reason of today's session. So I will be sharing with you guys in terms of how to ensure that your kindly hold on for me, please. I need to get this call. Apologies about that. Okay, so today we'll be looking at LinkedIn profile, how to make sure that your LinkedIn profile stand out as an individual, and also how to be recognized by hiring personnels or um, hiring officials of certain companies or law firms. So first thing first, you need to ensure that in your LinkedIn profile, the background picture and the profile picture are professional. Um, and also you need to ensure that you have a professional profile statement together with a personal statement. So I will show you with my own account. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the background picture. I took this photo on my admission day. So this is the background picture. So you need to have a professional background picture as well as a profile picture, a professional one. So you can take it anywhere. However, the background has to be a neutral background. So this is my profile statement. So when my account pops up on someone else's feed, it portrays that I'm a junior associate attorney at the no attorneys under compliance and monitoring. And also I empower and monitor prospective legal practitioners. So this is my profile statement. So you also need to have a eye-catching profile statement. So it's either you are a law student at UNISA currently doing your third year, you are busy with either vacation work at so and so attendees, or you are currently volunteering at so and so attendees or and so company. So you just have to ensure that your profile statement stand out. So okay, this is my personal statement about me. So with regard to about me, you just have to make sure that you include each and everything. It's like your mini CV. So you just have to make sure that you include each and everything there. Who are you? What are you about? And what are your goals or ambition? What is it that you want to achieve? Is there any question thus far?
No, ma'am, you can proceed.
Okay, thank you. Okay, moving along, you need to make sure that your LinkedIn profile has all your educational background and your work experiences. So each and every work experience that you attend to, it can be volunteering, it can be tutoring in varsity, it can be any admin position that you are currently doing, or any vacation work that you are currently doing. You also have to put it there. It's just like your CV. You just have to make sure that it corresponds with your CV. Your educational background, you also have to state that you are currently a student studying Bachelor of Laws. You are presently studying, or you are a third year law student at so and so university. You also have to include your high school information, and if you have other certificates that you maybe you did a short course of something, you also include it there. So this is how it's going to be. Um, so this is my work experience. So it corresponds with my CV. So each and everything that I did, I've included here. So you also have to make sure that your work experience that you put on your LinkedIn profile corresponds with your CV. Educational background, my high school, um, tertiary that I attended, as well as PLT that I currently did. Everything is there. So moving along, LinkedIn has a section where you include your licenses or certification. So there are other institutions that offers free short courses, just like LinkedIn has free short courses. UJ also has free short courses, and also Google and many other things. So if you do have the time and you want to learn a new skill, or you just want to improve your current skills, you have to make sure that you attend those free short courses in order to enhance your knowledge. and add on your current skills and improve. You can improve academically and also professionally as well. So you just have to make sure that unfortunately for the LinkedIn one, you have to be on premium, which is kind of expensive. Not many students are able to afford it, but it also produces nice short courses that one can attend and um, enhance their skills. So moving along, you have to include your current skills on your LinkedIn profile. Also, if whether you are hardworking, you've got time management, you are able to draft legal documents, you are able to draft or you do your research, you are able to research each and every skill that you are good at, you also put it there. So these are the certifications that I was telling you about. So you can attend to, if you want to learn a new skill, you want to improve on certain things, skills, or you want to improve your knowledge about something, you just have to attend those courses. And you have to include your skills, because when you have to apply for certain posts through LinkedIn and they require certain skills, that's where you can check if your skills they correspond with the job requirements. Moving along, how to connect on LinkedIn. Since you are currently students and you are still searching for vacation work or legal internships or legal learnerships and candidate legal practitioner's position, you have to make sure that you follow each and every company. It can be a law firm, it can be whether a private institution or a public institution. Each and every company that you have an interest on working for, you have to make sure that you follow those companies, and you make sure that you follow hiring personnel from those companies, and you make sure that you follow other people as well from those companies that you have interest for working for, because this gives you a chance to connect with people. You can even send them formal messages if you are interested in whether a position or you just want to ask something in terms of how can I be a great candidate coming to your law firm, what are the things that you are looking for, and see if you also can provide whatever that they are looking for. So it gives you a better chance at acquiring whatever position that you are looking for. Therefore, you can also connect with other legal practitioners. For example, those who wants to pursue conveyancing, you can go to your LinkedIn profile and then you go to search. When you search, you can say conveyancing. So it will give you post, jobs, or people. And then you go to people, and then you can follow these people, because other people they provide information in terms of conveyancing. And if you want to learn more, and then you follow each and every one that interests you, you can look into their profile and check if they resonate with you. They provide the information that you are looking for, and you can connect with them. And also, if you have an interest in family law, you also go to search, you type family law, you do the same procedure, and then you check um, people's profile, and you connect with each and every one that you feel their content is what you are looking for, or you just want to follow them for interest sake. So you can do that. So do you guys also go through LinkedIn and connect with other, it can be legal practitioners, it can be judges, magistrates, or other students? Do you also go to LinkedIn and connect with other people?
Yes, ma'am, we do.
Okay, no, that's great. So when it comes to LinkedIn, is there any question that you want to ask so that we can sort it out now? Yes, Busi?
Ma'am, would you recommend that we message people on LinkedIn? Say, for
Yes.
instance, that is, oh, okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
you may proceed. Sorry.
No, I mean, you had already, that's basically the main question, and you answered it. I was just going to further elaborate the kind of people to message, but you already answered the question. Thank you.
Okay, Busi, you can message anyone, anyone. It can be candidate legal practitioners, it can be um current legal practitioners, it can be researchers, it can be hiring professionals, it can be anyone. If you want to learn something, and for example, there are few people on LinkedIn who share information regarding candidates experiences, um, board exam experiences, court etiquettes, and etc. So if you see something and then you want to ask further questions, send that person a message, also a professional message. It can be good day or hi or dear, whoever. Um, My name is so and so. I'm currently a third year or a fourth year LLB student at this institution. I have an interest in this and this, and I would like further information in terms of how can I improve, or you just want to know how you can venture in that field, so they can give you information. Yes, Busi?
Okay. A follow-up question on that part. Do you think it's do you think one can get recognized through commenting, say for instance uh, on posts? Let's say you post something on LinkedIn and then it comes up my feed and I have an interest in what you are doing and then I comment, but in my comment you don't get back to my comment, say you take about 3 weeks to respond. Do you think I would be recognized by your connections, for instance, saying, hi, I really like what you're doing, I'm interested in, how do I go about it, on your post, not in a private message, for instance? Does that get one recognized or?
Yes, you can get recognized. Okay, for example, let us say someone shares a post about okay, so my recent post, let me check on my site to make a great example. Um, okay, another person that one needs to follow is Lisa Thomas. She's very good. She provides excellent information to law students and current candidate attorneys. So you can also follow her. Okay. For example, okay, this is one of my posts which reached like a broad aspect of people. This one where I mentioned candidate attorneys. They are also eligible for maternity leave. So I had a quite engagement with a lot of people. So if someone posts something and you are interested in whatever that they are talking about, you can also comment. Don't be shy to comment. You comment and you can say whatever that you want to say. It's entirely up to them if they will come back to you or they will respond to your comment or anything like that. Because at the end of the day, other people they receive a lot of comments and they only choose whoever they want to comment to. Others they just take out a day out of their busy schedule, maybe an hour, to make sure that they go through their LinkedIn account to check their messages and comment, and to also check their post if other people have commented on their profiles, and they interact with those people. So if you message someone or you comment, trust me, you will get recognized, because that post, it's not only seen by few people, because it comes on many feeds. So you need to make sure that you interact, just like your WhatsApp, just like your Facebook. Make sure you are interactive on LinkedIn. Share your personal experiences as a student. If you attend a certain function, or you attend a certain course, or you do vacation work at this firm, post. Don't be shy. Those are your achievements. You post them. Post each and everything that you do. Make sure that your profile it's up to date and it's also recognizable, because people may not know you personally, but they may know you through your profile. So you need to make sure that you are always interactive, you engage. I hope that answered your question, Busi.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Is there any other one who wants to ask a question? Don't be shy, guys.
No, ma'am, I'm covered.
Okay, thank you. Um, anyone?
No, ma'am, thank you. You made it quite clear, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Okay, guys. So, um, this is our last session for our mentorship program. I just want to thank you for engaging throughout the whole program, and I just hope that I've given you with sufficient information and the relevant um, information as well, and provided you with certain knowledge that you can use at your prospective careers that you are pursuing. And I wish you nothing but the best. So you need to make sure that when you get your articles, or probably you need assistance about something, don't be shy to reach out. This is not the end, um, but it's a growing relationship from now moving forward. And I hope that you have enjoyed learning through this mentorship program, and it has provided you with insightful information that not only are you going to use it for yourself, but also to share with other students as well. So thank you so much for moving along this journey with me.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for choosing us to be your mentees.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us this great opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, man, for everything. We are truly grateful. We have learned a lot and we are truly, truly grateful. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. As I've previously mentioned that today's session is gonna be very short. I don't want to take much of your time since you are busy with the exams. Um, I suggest that we end our session here. And if you need anything, don't be shy to reach out. And also, I'm still waiting for the review forms. So the evaluation forms, are you guys going to be able to send them through anytime soon?
Ma'am, I did send in mine through.
Yes, I saw yours. Thank you.
Thank you.
Apologies for the delayed ma'am sending of such. I will send mine probably tomorrow, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, ma'am, you will be receiving them.
Okay, all right. Thank you, guys. I will send through a short email right after our session, and I wish you nothing but the best in your careers. Go out there and chase the bag. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, enjoy your weekend, guys. Bye.
You too. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
everyone.
Bye bye.